Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you all so much. So today I'm going to show you all how to achieve this beautiful natural hairstyle, especially if you are a naturalista and if your hair is not really long. So the first thing I'm going to do is to divide my hair into sections. Just make sure that the lines are as neat as possible. You want to go in with an object that is really sharp on your head so that it can connect with your scalp. So I'm just going to cut that into sections like this. Thereafter, I'm going to go in with my eco styling gel and I'm just going to use that to pat the sections like this, just to make sure that the lines are obvious. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to also divide the middle of my hair into another section like this, just to get that middle part of my hair. And once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my eco styling gel again, just so that that whole place can be as smooth and flat as possible. So I'm going to start the work right now. So in this particular tutorial, I'll be using rubber bands to hold my hair in place, just so that everything stays together. So once I'm done parting, I'm going to pick up my rubber band and then hold that in place. So this is what I'm going to do all through. You can make the size of your braid smaller, but I actually did prefer mine like this. So I'm just going to keep placing rubber bands on them until I am done with the whole of my hair. So this is what it should look like. And now this is what my hair actually looks like. So I'm going to pick up my Brazilian wool and I'm just going to start braiding with this Brazilian wool is really affordable, especially here in Nigeria. It's really affordable, and I used about 13 to 14 of it on my hair because I wanted the braids to be really big. So I'm going to apply my eco styling gel and then start going in with the Brazilian wool. And this is my crochet pin. I'm just going to pick that like this and then start braiding. So once I reach the end of my braid, I am going to bend it like this and then twist it to form like a knot at this point. And once I'm done forming the knot, I'm going to pick up my rubber band and then just place it right there. So these are very beautiful and colorful rubber bands that brings out the beauty of your braid. So once I'm done braiding, I'm going to start applying gel at the front of my hair so that it looks really neat and nice. This is it, guys. This is what the hair looks like, and you can style it in whatever form that you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and also comment in the comment section if you want more videos like this. I really enjoyed this particular one. It was my first time trying it out and it really came out cool. Thank you all for watching. If you've not turned on the notification button, please do that so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.